Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making slime. I put this soap that I already put that right there in laundry detergent. Now I'm gonna so I'll tell you when I'm done. Now I'm gonna add some soap. Okay, that'll be good. In a minute, I'm gonna tell you what. Gonna be right back, guys. Okay, I'm done doing that. Now I'm gonna put my food coloring. This is how I have this makeup. I do have makeup. I don't have food coloring. I'm gonna make mine black. No, I'm gonna make a glitter on me right there. For you guys, I'll let you see. Okay, how it looks like. I'm gonna put this one. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on.